Hi everyone, welcome to Sketching Fine Art. I hope you're having a great day. So today I'm continuing with my illustrations in my book series, and today the illustration is just a nice little boat on a kind of like bed of grassy type thing. So I really enjoyed doing this one. I think it took me around about three and a half hours to complete. I've been working on it day by day within this last week. Also been working on quite a few other things, but I am now on Instagram, so please do check me out on Instagram and follow me and support this channel as well. So do check that out. It will be on Instagram at SketchingFineArt. I'll leave a link in the description below, and I've also set up my new print shop where you can purchase any of these drawings that I have. These iPad Pro drawings. I've set that up, and there's also a link in the description below, so do check that out and support this channel. Hopefully we'll get this channel to grow at a steady stage, and then we could get all involved in this amazing new adventure that we've kind of begun together. So yeah, so I hope you guys have started the 30-day sketch challenge, and if you haven't, then please have a look at the playlist that I've set up, where you'll have all my 30 sketches that I did of the 30-day sketch challenge. It's of so much benefit. I can't kind of emphasize how kind of beneficial it is, especially if you want to get back into art, or you want to kind of start in art from scratch. It really is a great exercise in getting you warmed up, and I'm going to be releasing a book hopefully towards the end of 2018 that is all about that challenge and getting back into art, so do keep an eye out for that. So yeah, so this drawing that I did on this video, I used a 6B pencil in Procreate on the Apple iPad Pro, using the Apple Pencil, and this is one of my favorite techniques, going in really dark and then using a white color to kind of bring out the highlights and create a lot of texture. And that's one of the massive advantages of going digital. I mean, again, I do traditional work as well, so I do a lot of ink work in traditional media, using old school pen and nibs. Hopefully I'll have a video on that coming up soon, but it's just the convenience of having a tablet and a pencil that's ready to use, and kind of stop and then kind of come back to it whenever you can, especially if you've got like a busy lifestyle like I have with children and work, constantly moving around, so it just works great. I am due to review the iPad Pro 12.9 inch, the one that I bought back in November, because it's nearly coming to 3 months now that I've had this device, and I've been using it every single day. So I'll be releasing a video on my thoughts and review of what I think, how good this tablet is. But yeah, so thank you so much for your time and help. Thank you for your support. Please give a thumbs up to this video if you enjoyed it, and please also subscribe to the channel if you already haven't. Please share the channel with others so we can all learn from each other, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one. So take care of yourself, keep sketching, relax, and peace.